Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the 300 subscriber prize announcement video, and I'm going to show you some things first before we get into what the prizes are. What I'd like for you to put in the comments to be entered for the drawing is Diecast Pirate Rocks. Okay? Diecast Pirate Rocks. That's all you got to put in the comments. Subscribe, click the like button, all that good stuff. Alright, and once we hit 300, then I will do the prize drawing. So before we get into what the prizes are, I want to show you some things that I picked up today, and then future prizes for the 500 subscriber drawing that I've been accumulating. They may or may not be on my, because I pick up things on a weekly basis. I go in the stores and find things that I can give away as prizes. So, but first, these are things that I picked up today. So, stopped in Walmart, and I ended up finding a 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible, and I was like, you know what, I want to do a custom on that. So I got that car, and then 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. I don't know that I would do a custom on this, so this may end up being a prize in a future drawing. I also got two of these red Triumph TR6s. I have a bunch of the green ones. So I'll probably put these two cars together as a prize in a future drawing, and then these two are going to stay with me. So I have seen this 5-pack hanging on the peg, on the hook at Walmart for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, and it's not the holidays and nobody wants it. So I'm like, you know what? I picked it up today and I was like, yeah, I can use these for future customs or whatnot, you know. And if I don't use them, then maybe around the holidays, if there's a prize drawing, I may toss it in with that then. But for right now, it's going to get set aside, and I may or may not open it. We'll see. I also picked up another 5-pack with the wagon in the police car that I like so much for myself. So, yeah. And then I did get another 5-pack of these Flames cars. Now, I already have this 5-pack for myself for customization, and I thought this would be a great prize in a future drawing. Future drawing stuff. We have the Lamborghini, the 2017 Lamborghini Urus. I'll most likely put another car with this. It won't go by itself. And then we have the last of the V8 Interceptors. This is the Chrome Edition. This will be a prize in the 500 subscriber drawing when we get to that one. Okay, I have a 5-pack of the Highway Speeders. And we have the 56 Jaguar XK140 Roadster, the Dodge Challenger SRT8, the Volvo P1800S, the 2007 Subaru WRX Impreza, and the Ford GT40. So this will be most likely 500, and I may pick up another one of these just in case, but I don't plan on doing anything with these cars. I gave one of these away in the 100 subscriber drawing. And my buddy Jay over at Jay's Diecast Creations won this one. But we'll give one of these away. I bought two of them, and I gave one away the last time. And we're not giving one away at 300, but most likely this will be a prize for 500. And then another one that might be for 500 is this Volvo V60 Wagon. It's a Matchbox Superfast. It does not have moving parts, but I thought, you know what, there's somebody out there that would love this car. It's not my type of thing, but hey, you know, prizes are prizes, right? You know, somebody will love it. Also, for next time, we have a 50th anniversary Superfast Porsche 911. It's a 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo, Superfast moving parts car. Super awesome car. This will be 500. I just picked this up today because I keep seeing these sitting at Walmart and people aren't buying them. They're like 25 bucks for this set. And I thought, well, if I ever wanted to get one of these online to give away as a prize, I wouldn't do it because the prices would be outrageous. But it has that Zamax Jaguar in it, and I wasn't going to pay 25 bucks just to get that car for myself, you know. But as a prize, 500, man. 500, get to 500, I will give this to one of you. All right, so these are the prizes for the 300 subscriber drawing and the celebration, and we're almost there. 265 today, guys. 265. And I knew it was going to come, and it was only a matter of time. And I appreciate you guys so much, and I just want to give to you, okay? I did the 100% survivor drawing, and the shipping on that stuff, and I told a couple of my friends, I'm like, I probably can't do this again. And I thought about it, like, you know what? After I did that, look, what you put into the world comes back to you, right? And after I did that, good things happened to me. And I won't go into what that was because this is about celebrating you guys. Okay, but that showed me right there that I needed to do it again. All right, so we're going to have 10 prizes again. No bonus prize this time because I don't think anybody really wanted that bonus prize. I didn't want them. So anyway, so prize number 10 will be another 2 of these. We got the Hot Wheels Charger with the flames, 69 Charger, and the Matchbox 70 Ford Capri. Okay. Next we have number 9 is a Triumph TR6, the green one, with a green 2005 Ford Mustang. That's prize number 9. Prize number 8 is the pair of 8-ball Roger Dodgers. One of them says, "Don't count on it," and the other one says, "Concentrate and ask again, but if you're the winner, you will get these." All right. Prize number 7 is a pair of GT40s. We have a 67 GT40 Mark IV and a Ford GT40. I will give these away at the next round. This is a Gumball 3000 car, and I know one guy that wants these. So, old man, if you win this, I hope you do, man. I know you love those. So, prize number 5 is going to be the Porsche that I just showed you that might be for a future drawing, but I bought 2 of them. I bought one to give away this time and one for future drawings. So I won't talk about this too much. That's number 5. Number 6 is the other 36 Ford Sedan Custom that I bought at the same time as the one that that Bog won the last time in my first drawing. Red Room Diecast, he won one of these the last time, and I have another one to give away. So this will be prize number 6. All right. I did that in the wrong order. Prize number 6, and then prize number 5. Prize number 4 is another 5-pack of the Matchbox Wild. It has the jacked up Ford Mustang with the 4-wheel drive on it. It has the Bronco with the trailer. It has a Hummer, and it has that Dodge truck. So last time, Rob and Hodgkins up there in Nova Scotia won it. So, you know, I bought another one to give away. I figured, you know what, there's guys out there that love this trailer and everything that's in here, and I just want to give this away. Prize number 3 will be Cooter's tow truck. I pre-ordered 2 of these at the end of last year, and they finally came in a few weeks ago, and I opened one to keep for myself, and the other one is going to go to one of you guys. Prize number 2 is the Make and Power Mopar pack. It has the 1970 Dodge L600 and a 69 Plymouth Roadrunner 446 pack. And this will go to one of you for prize number 2. Alright, so let's talk about what the grand prize is. And let me rearrange this camera so I can give you a better angle. not even plugged in right now. Alright. So, it won't be this car. This is what that's what this car started as. This is the car that I'm building for the build off with Matchbox Mark, and you're kind of getting a preview here of some work that I've done in the direction that I'm going with it. Alright. I had a bunch of stuff going on, and I decided to go ahead and get it stripped and get that video started, so it's in the process of being done. It's going to get I'm going to turn it into like a drag car, if you can't tell. My thoughts on this, wait till you see the video to see what the finish is going to be. I don't want to give that away, but I have some really awesome ideas for the paint on this. The glass in this is pretty much destroyed. I went on the one website for you can get Matchbox parts, and they don't. I did buy replacement glass, but those ship from Europe, so I don't know if I'll get it in time. But in the meantime, I also did go ahead and I bought like 2 or 3 more of this car off of eBay, because I was looking at, I have 3 of these total. This one, which was like really bad, and then this one that has the bent A-pillar, but the glass is cracked. And if nothing else, I can drill this apart to put the glass in to finish this car for the video. If I don't get another glass in time. The third car has a really good glass in it that's perfect, but that car's almost perfect, and I don't want to take it apart if I don't have to at this point. So we would use this glass as a filler piece if I don't get a better glass in time, better than this one. But this is going to be the grand prize for one of you guys. And don't forget, put in the comments, Diecast Pirate rocks. Alright. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post pictures of my completed builds. I'm also on Patreon. And if you really want to support the channel, you can go over there and check that out. I really appreciate all my patrons. You know, I don't give you guys enough credit for what you do. I mean, it really means a lot to me that people are, you know, supporting the channel in that way. I'm really just enjoying this whole experience, and you guys are the best. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button, leave a comment down below, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.